So update on the CNC plasma table I got. Here's where we're at. So I picked up some OSB, and I didn't really make nice walls, you know, you call it. I already had the what you call it, the insulation board, whatever, like this stuff. And all I did was I didn't worry about trying to make it true at the top. I just set them on the floor, picked them up so they're square against the beam itself there. And then I thought, well, you know, instead of trying to make something special, I'll just stand the board up, and that way it blocks from throwing sparks that way. And then I got my solar stuff here. So batteries produce hydrogen because when they're charging, so I didn't really want sparks flying over there. And then I didn't have to worry about trying to do this wall. And then just made a cheap shelf. And then I'm gonna put one here for the computer, because that's all I did with this one too. I just took some leftover 2x4s, lined it up on the edge, and then just screwed that to it. So I mean, it don't have to be much. It's not a structure. I'm just trying to prevent all the sparks and stuff. So that's where we're at. And then I gotta figure out some of this stuff and what I'm gonna do. So anyway, that's where we're at. Stay tuned.